At a pulling machine, we understand that reducing the time it takes to set up a part is a key factor in reducing our machine costs and shortening our lead times. Most parts we process have a pre-designed setup which are drawn and saved in Mastercam. This reduces the time it takes to set up a part the first time and reassures that every repeat part is set up the same way every time, building quality in our process. Our mills have custom-built modular fixture tables that resemble features similar to our fab department's Blue-Co weld system. With the use of standard and custom components, our setups are done accurately and efficiently. Another investment a pulling machine has made is in Technomagnete magnetic work holders, which allow us to hold a part without any clamps and gives us the ability to machine all 5 sides of a part with one setup, which is a very nice complement to our bridge mills with their multi-sided machining capabilities.